So this song is very close to me. This song is dedicated to a man who impacted my life very greatly, who passed away in November 2024. His name is Will Cullen Hart. This song's called Lovers. Little birds born without a mother or a father. I can feel the feathers falling in the running water. Now there is another in the middle of my mouth. Hundreds all together inside of me now. Little birds, come into my body. Mother, they're with me every moment I'm awaking. Bodies won't sublime till they finally overtake me. Put your ears up to my mouth and you can hear them singing. Put your hands within me and you'll know what I'm feeling. I just want to swallow up and promise to protect it. Daddy, come towards me, I can see his hand was shaking. Put his hands against me, you can feel their bodies breaking. Push me to the floor and put his hands up for a beating. I don't want to hear it anymore, he kept repeating. Do you really want the burning hell to come and get you? Oh, oh, oh. Did you see how far he fell and how he made us suffer? Another boy in town at night, he took him for his lover. And deep in sin, they held each other. So I took him and nearly made his little brains in. No God in heaven, no could never forgive him. So I took him and nearly beat his little brains in. Little boy born without a mother or a father, taken to the river and then pushed into the water. And the priest was singing that the hell was getting hotter. Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, the only one to save him from the thing he loves the most, but no one will betray him. Father, Son, and Holy Ghost, the only one to save him. Little birds born without a mother or a father, I can feel the feathers forming in the running water. Now there is another in the middle of my mouth, 100 altogether